and even bowling. Oh my god. So we hope you enjoy the video.
Clear. Oh. Let's see ya. Wah, wah, wah. What do you got? A big old nuttin' kid. You know what's hard being me? It really is hard. It's really hard being me, you know? Let me show you something. That POV shit. Here we go, grab the right journey. Sound light. Oh, she's a striker, my bad. Like I said, it's hard being me, you know what I mean? So tell me about today. How's the weather?
Shitty.
It's raining again. What do you got? Oh, I missed it. Oh, she got one pin. What did she got? Ooh, some spice in her. Ooh. Alyssa's back kind of hurts because K1 I kind of smashed into her. But let's see what you got. Is that a striker? Oh my god. Just 2 left. What are you gonna do? So tell us, Alyssa Rodriguez, what is your plan as you get to this double hitter? What are you thinking?
Get up!
Show me what you got, honey. Oh, but will she land it? No! Looks like she cannot do it. She ain't me. You know what I'm saying? I'll give you guys another one.
Good job! I'm so proud of you.
Thanks. What does she got? What does she get? Come on. I know you got this. You taught me everything I know. Please. Master, show me what you have. I know she got it in her. Look at that. Yo, what's going on? She's pissed.
Duh. Unfortunately, I couldn't record when I was on the go-karts. Well, none of us could, but this one, I think he came in third. Came in third?
Second place.
Second place? Well, we'll find out. We'll roll back.
Second place, none of that brown shit. Silver.
Uh-oh. No, we had a good time. And then we ended it off with some bowling.
Give me the vlog, give me the vlog. Give me the vlog. If you don't know me, I golf. Love it. Love golf. We're over here at Top Golf in Orlando. Let me just tell you, this place is crazy. I'm looking for 307. How's it going?
Oh, my bad. You good?
Yep.
You ever put a top golf before?
Oh my god! Yeah! Way out there. Another couple points right there. It shows you. It went in. Oh! Yeah! Geico says it's good. That's gonna be me.
Hit that ball, girl.
I don't like that.
Hard, right? Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's go on a wide on we go. Yarder. Oh,
Yeah!
what was that?
She was just warming up this whole time. Yeah, wait. Oh, you got it.
First swing, breaking the golf virginity. Off the rip. Off the rip, 43 miles.
Hey, she got a point.
Look at that, huh? Your golf virginity's gone. There you go. Give her a hard swing this time. None of that baby crap. Give her a nice one. Hit it like you mean it. Whoa, 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 girl. Don't throw that shit out there. Don't throw it.
Loses the club.
Don't lose it.
That drink is catching up to us.
Damn!
Swinging on top.
How good. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A little weird, but you got it.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, right in there. How many points? That was another 4. She's got me beat. Yeah, she's definitely got me beat, yeah. Mine were going farther, but you were getting right in those. Come on, what do you got, kid? Oh, so is that guac salsa?
No, definitely not the guac.
Definitely not the guac. That tastes like dirty choach. I swear. I swear. No? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Look.
I have one more.
Having a fun time though. Here at Top Golf in Orlando. fun stuff. What do you got? Oh my god. That poor girl almost got hit like 17 times today. Oh my god. I don't know. She's just like a golf magnet. Ryanna.
I got 57. I got 12.
You got
49. She beat you.
Damn.
The day after.
Johnny, take one.
It's dying. That's what I thought.
Oh, one more. That's all for today, kids. Keep golfing.
Okay guys, the end of the video. We didn't get to record much, which kind of sucks.
Such a lot.
Oh wait, no.
Yeah, we did.
No, but we didn't get to record a lot of the arcade. Okay, so we went.
Much. Arcade was expensive.
I forget already with it. Artenzi something. You'll know. But we went bowling. We went to the arcade. We went golfing.
We don't wear everywhere. And I'm a race car driver.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so
We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because you'll be missing out if you don't. But we got so much more coming soon. We're getting better at this. We're getting more confident. It's coming through right now. Subscribe.
and as always, never forget to keep it tight and
Keep it classy, kids.
Keep it classy. Classy. I got it that time.
bye.